As Samsung prepares for its next Galaxy Unpacked event expected in January 2024, leaked hands-on photos have provided an early glimpse at the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship phone. The images reveal subtle yet noteworthy design tweaks compared to last year's S23 Ultra. So, without further ado, let's jump right into those. Notable changes were shared by tipster Ice Universe, including a slimmed-down pill-shaped bottom speaker cutout replacing the rectangular style used before. Additionally, the top edge now features two microphone speaker holes instead of the single opening of the S23 Ultra. Overall thickness has also been trimmed down to 8.6 mm compared to 8.9 mm on the preceding model. The side volume and power buttons look to be thicker as well. Materials get a high-end rework too, with the frame shifting from aluminum to titanium alloy. This should provide an improved premium in hand feel. Meanwhile, the S Pen stylus sees small tweaks as well, with a flatter base allowing for more seamless integration when housed internally. Specifications-wise, key details like the 6.8-inch 1440p resolution 120Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and 12GB RAM configuration remain unchanged from leaks thus far. However, another leaker, Ahmed Quader, reveals a bump up to 24 megapixels default resolution for images, enabling more detail to be brought out through built-in editing tools. But this is a very far-fetched speculation, so keep that in mind. For optics, you still get a versatile quad camera array featuring a 200MP main sensor, 12MP ultrawide, and dual 10 megapixels, 50MP telephotos with 3x and 5x optical zoom reach. A 12MP front-facing camera for selfies resides up front as well. Support for fast charging, wireless charging, and a large 5000 mAh battery all return in line with expectations. While physical transformations seem minor overall, the titanium frame and camera spec upgrades already build flagship hype for Samsung loyalists and upgraders. More concrete answers will likely arrive when the S24 Ultra takes center stage at Samsung's next Unpacked Live event, rumored for next month. So, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.